on it. I'm coming on little areas here. Okay, now I'm moving on to the next one here. Coming back from here. It's a little different scenario here. Why, I don't know. Oh, we want to be here. Let's see. Gotta get that bent under. Bent under and straight in. Alright, there we go. Man. Now, as you can see, it's fighting here pretty well. Fighting here pretty good. Oh, that's why. Alright, well. Okay. So pull it up that square. So it's sitting pretty high on here. Alright. Alright. Okay, that's probably why. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'll have to screw a couple in here. Alright, let's get back down here. She didn't bring enough screws. Of course. Alright. Alright. I need some more screws. Okay. I'll get a lot of tension on that. All right, I'm gonna go get some more screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Come on, get that secured. And then I got to get that wrapped around. So the next little item. Okay, almost here, huh? Pull that stuff down tighter in a minute. Almost a square. And again, I can't have them make this for me, so this kind of bites. But hey, what are you gonna do? What's there? This one here. Huh. All right. All right, there we go. I like it. This is the only complicated little area I got right here. these straight. Likes it. Alright. I'll tell you. I got some more red. I don't think I got any more reds. So just tap down through here, pull them together. Couple here. Where's my little drill bit? I ain't good. I don't know what's in there. And it's shallow. Because I don't think. What happens? Oh, you dick. Well, then not idea. Ah, crap. And a night idea too. Ah, nuts. Doggone it. Jeez, not what I needed. All right, see if these will. We'll go through 3. Okay, I'm holding that just so this thing doesn't go. Crap on the end here. That was a long one, I don't know. And now that makes it a lot nicer looking, huh? Okay, am I all out? Am I all out? I'm bringing more up, didn't I? Shoo! Alright. Okay. Alright. Come up a little bit. That's all the way up. That's looking good. Okay. That's up, that's up. Okay. All right. Pulls down a little bit. Kind of bulging, but anyone near in here? Where are you? No. gotta put one down. Metal. You hitting the metal? No, you're not. Awesome. Go, go, go. No. What the heck? Ah! Dust in my... What the heck's going on? It's there, but... Oh, I know what's going on. Never mind. Okay. Oh, you ran into the... Ouch. You ran into the beam. Ouch. Dang it. Got myself. Damn. Finally got me. I know. Didn't take long. Okay. Give me a couple more here. I drill. I need my drill too. Oh, get your finger off of that thing. Put yourself right in the... It's up here. I got down there. Alright. Let's get that drill down through there. Maybe. Through. Try it and get it without freaking busting it off. Maybe. Nothing on? Yep, you did. Too late now. Yeah. Yep, just it off.